Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So, dear friends, today's healing has been designed to open, cleanse, activate, energize, balance, heal, and empower your heart chakra. Dear friends, a balanced heart chakra is a magnet to miracles in our life. Love is the highest vibrational frequency, dear friends, which can help manifest wonderful opportunities in all areas of our life. When our heart chakra, dear friends, is balanced, we feel love, compassion, and easily forgive all with understanding. We are open to give and receive the universal love from humans and animal kingdom as well. We feel happy, joyous, and contented, and our health is good. However, dear friends, when this chakra is imbalanced in our body, we feel restless, anxious, stressed, like a victim, and in many cases, either the person cries a lot, or in some cases, they are unable to shed tears or express themselves. Both overactive or underactive heart chakras can cause many physical diseases as well, like chest pain, heart attacks, heart failures in some cases, high blood pressure, allergies, breast cancers, problems with immune system, chest congestion, etc. Most of our emotional and physical problems are in fact, dear friends, related to an imbalance in this chakra. A person suffering imbalance in this chakra feels lack of motivation to do anything and generally feels low in energy levels and mostly feels sad and depressed. Therefore, dear friends, it is most important for us to balance and heal this chakra in our body. So in this healing, dear friends, we will take the help of angels, archangels, ascendant masters, crystals, divine Reiki, Karuna Reiki energies to help you out of this imbalance and blockages in your chakra. So if you take these healing sessions as often as possible, you are going to open, activate and balance your heart chakra. So just relax and allow the divine energy to heal and cure you. I will be working behind the scenes, dear friends, on your aura, your heart chakra and your energy body. Lots of love and best wishes to all our friends on Healing Souls.